Hi there, Wildcat families and community members. This is James Johnson, principal at Southeastern Randolph Middle School. Wanted to let you know what was going on this week at Southeastern Randolph Middle School. On August 21st, we'll have open house here at the school. At 3 o'clock, 6th graders are invited to the gym for an informational session on what to expect in middle school. After the information session, they'll head to the classrooms until 4:30, at which time 6th grade open house will end. In the Media Center, beginning at 4:30, we'll have a vape informational session for 6th grade, 7th grade, and 8th grade students. The 7th and 8th grade portion of open house begins at 5 o'clock and runs until 6:30 in the afternoon. Also next week, on the 19th, 20th, and 22nd, we'll have softball and football tryouts going on. Softball tryouts will run from 6 o'clock until 7:30. Football will run from 4 o'clock to 6 o'clock. I also want to remind you that 6th graders are not allowed to participate in football. I hope that you can make it open house and come see all the great things going on at Southeastern Randolph Middle School. And if you need anything, feel free to contact us. Thank you. Have a wonderful weekend.